3, 2, 1. That was a big hit. Okay, so we've cut through 1 layer, 2 layers, 3 layers, 4 layers again, still have 2 to go.